Guys, we're making a truck bed instructional video. See the boat? Y'all see the boat? Welcome to Dunkel's class of truck bed camping. Not 101, it's more advanced. Play 152, class 152. Hey, there's Santa. Do that right there. I'm cutting the support pieces right now. You guys will fully understand what I'm doing, but I gotta give you a little picture so you guys don't think I'm crazy. Something to visualize. Alright guys, we're gonna show you what's really going on. We gotta build a frame first. I'll take these and these, and you guys come over here.
Not on that wire rope.
There it go. Alright, let's bring them 2 pieces of wood back out here to the manhandling station.
It's a nice cut you got there, bud.
We all but screw, go ahead and put 2 in there. Then this should sit perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect.
Oh, are you okay?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, my pencil, Jared. This is where we'll be sleeping on top of. I know it doesn't give you a bunch of headroom, but we're sleeping in a truck. When you wake up in the morning, you just can't jump out of bed. You gotta think about it a little bit. These are 5.5. What's 5.5 times 4?
5.5 times 2 is 11, so 22.
22? You're sharp. I like you. Alright, so we got 22, so 62.25 minus 22.
What are you trying to do?
Evenly space them.
Just screw it in there.
No, we can't just do that.
I got a good eye.
We're using numbers. Make sure that ends 8 inches. All we did was just cut 2x4s. We're just using them as slots. We don't have to drill these every single time. You know what I'm saying? Brothers.
Boat a little bit in the middle, keep us from rolling on top of each other.
That's badass.
What you thinking?
I'm thinking I fucking love it. Or, I heckin' love it.
Honda. She was the only one down for me.
How much you want me to put?
Yep.
Why not get out there actually?
Flip it back. That's fucking clean. I mean, effing clean. There it is, guys. Here's our drawer. Getting ready to make this happen. Truck bed extravaganza starting today.